Welcome back, everybody. I was a little under the weather yesterday, and I'll show you the clip right now. This is the one part of the house right next to Roy, showing the siding. And this is a wiring mess nightmare that we have to deal with, besides all the sheetrock, insulation,
Dry Rot, termites. Oh, look what I just found.
Yeah, look at those termites in that baby.
Lovely. Lovely, lovely. Lovely, lovely. I just love this house. Okay. Wonder what these wires went to. I shouldn't do that. It probably is live. Okay.
Anyway, today we're going to probably have a short day because we're starting a little bit late, but Roy's going to go up on the roof. He used to have a propane gas hot water tank. We got rid of that, and now we have the electric one. So he's going to go on the roof and take that off and seal it up so it doesn't leak. And also the air vent has been leaking because the rubber seal's not working anymore. So he's going to put a new cap on that and seal that in too. So let's get at her and see what we can do today. So Roy found some metal that kind of matches the roof. He washed it down because it's been sitting at the side of the garage forever. It's got a bit of rust on it, so we're going to clean it up and go ahead, dry it up, paint the back side of it to stop what rust has started on it. And that's what we're going to use to plug the holes that are in the roof once we take the pipes out from up above. The hot water tank exhaust pipe, and also the furnace pipe that we took out. That will be covering the holes after he glues it in. So Roy's already up on the roof cleaning around the vent pipe. I'm bringing up the drill, the screws, everything he needs so he can finish this job. So after it's all clean, Roy uses that special caulking just for this job and puts a new boot down. It's got a metal ring around it. He screws it all into place, and this job's very well done. Now to take that exhaust pipe out that used to go to the hot water tank. He's got to pull the old ring off, clean all that up, and I'll be down below cutting the right size piece of metal to fit over that hole. He'll caulk that and also screw it down. So now we're going over to where the furnace used to exhaust out. He's pulling that pipe out of there, clean that up after he rips that gasket off of there, and we're going to put a plate over that too with the caulking. Now that he has all the old sealing off of there, he's cleaning the area up, and he'll grab that piece of metal, checking it out, make sure it fits, caulk it, lay it down, and screw that down too. Doesn't that look nice? Now for a view all the way around from up on the roof. Yeah, it's quick, but there we go. Now for a quick break and take a look at them wonderful clouds. Okay, break's over with. Let's go inside. I think we're going to put in a can light now, right about where the door is, just for that little extra light at nighttime. And we're going to wire that switch in with the one that's in the laundry room. Of course, we're measuring to get the center of where we need that light. And we do have a big hole cutting drill that will cut the hole. But this is not quite big enough, so Roy's got to file it down a little bit, and that can light will fit in there just fine. This can light has little clips on it for remodel, so you don't have to nail it in any 2x, and so it just pops right in there. Real easy to wire in. It has push-in clips for the wiring to go into, and enough to push in holes to go over to the laundry room. In which on the lights we're not too worried about that because they won't be drawing that much power anymore. You use LED. If you were to do a plug-in like that, I'd suggest not to, because that's overloading the plug no matter what. Don't use push-in for the plugs. It's okay to do it for the lights. So for a short day, what do we do? We got those pipes, gas pipes out of the ceiling. Those are exhaust pipes. One was for the hot water tank. The bigger one was for the furnace, and put a new cap in around the vent pipe so it stops leaking. And we got the light inserted into the, we'll say, side door, back door, or hallway, and wired in for the wash machine a light. And now what's left is to start sheetrocking that, but we have to put a few 2x4s in between to strengthen that up, because we did take out that wall and they all don't go to the next wall, so that's our idea of strengthening it. So anyway, until next time, don't forget to subscribe, and we shall see you later.